Even here, when I feel unworthy, I know you see me. I've walked alone in silence, heart heavy, soul undone. Yet every step you follow, you love me like the sun. And when my faith is flickering, you hold me through the night. Your mercy never fading, you call me into light. Thank you for loving me, for lifting my broken heart. Even when I fall apart, you're the hope inside my scars. Thank you for loving me, for seeing who I am. When the world walks away, you hold me in your hands. No shadow